What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and Bitcoin has pushed through 50K for the first time since late 2021. Guys, this is very exciting times. We're getting so close to the beginning of that bull market, even though a lot of these places and articles will say we're starting the bull market. We're not quite there yet. I still expect one more major dip to happen, but regardless, this is the year where everything will begin. So let's take a look at this article and kind of see what some of these experts, so-called experts anyway, are telling us. All right, so the world's largest crypto has now more than recovered since tumbling below $40,000 in the initial days following the opening of the spot ETFs. Now, in theory, you really got to go back to the end of 2022. That's where the actual bottom of the whole market was, and mid-range 2022 is really where the bear market began. And we're still going to hit another bear market following in 2026 around the same time. But again, it's too soon to start talking about another bear market. We're slowly starting to pull out of this one, and this year is going to be the time that it happens. So after a brief stumble following the January 11th launch of the spot ETFs, the Bitcoin BTC bull market began in January 2023, has entered the FOMO stage. So they're saying the bull market began in January. I really don't think that's a thing. The actual start of the bull market is going to be sometime in October. That's when we're really going to start seeing things really go up from there. But you know what? Things are going up right now, and a lot of people are very excited, including myself. This is awesome times. We're definitely leading into higher price and amazing mining rewards. So with the price breaking out above 50K for the first time in more than 2 years, even as the new spot ETFs took in billions of dollars in their first weeks of trade, investor attention appeared to be focused on the billions leaving the high-fee grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, and the price of Bitcoin tumbled to as low as $38,500 just days after the ETFs opened for business. The action of the past couple of weeks through has seen slowing outflows of the GBTC, while stabilized inflows have continued into new products. On February 8th, Grayscale shed just 1,850 Bitcoin, while the other 9 ETFs added nearly 11,000 tokens to their funds. Then on February 9th, Grayscale lost 2,252 coins, while the other 9 ETFs added more than 13,000. For perspective, just 900 newly minted Bitcoin hit the market each day, soon to decline to 450 per day when the Bitcoin halving occurs in April. It could happen a month later, it could happen a month sooner, depending when we actually hit the halving block when it actually occurs, which will change based on network hash rate increasing and decreasing and that difficulty adjusting to make so. Crypto winter ends. Dun, dun, dun. Who has a big smile on their face right now? Technically, yeah, I do believe the crypto winter is finally over, but we're still nowhere near that full-fledged bull run. That's still, like I said, 6 to 7 months away. The price of Bitcoin peaked at about $69,000 in November 2021. In 2022 was a disaster amid the implosion of the Terra ecosystem and the disintegration of crypto exchange FTX, more likely scammers. Ended Wonderkind founder Sam Bankman-Fried in November 2022, along with a number of other high-profile crypto industry blow-up. Bitcoin closed 2022 at just above $16,000, down about 75% from its all-time high. Many other crypto tokens suffered even larger roots alongside the price drops in big name. You know what? Forget about all this garbage of what they're going about. The point is, the cycles happen every single time. Who cares what the reason was? It happens. Let's just take a look at some charts right now. And if we look back and kind of look at the all-time highs of everything here, all the histories and everything that's been going on. Let's go back to 2013, guys. And, on the big layer chart here, that doesn't look like much, a little bloop, but that was actually a full-fledged bull run back then. Look at this. If we can see now, it's looking a lot better, guys. So look at 2012 and everything. We have a price of Bitcoin of only like $10, $11. And in 2013, bam, it skyrocketed to over $1,000. That is huge, going from $17 to to over 1,000. So we're going to fast forward this another 4 years, and that comes us to 2017. That's when the next bull run hit, and this made crypto a lot more attractive for a lot more people. Each cycle does bring in a lot more people, and hitting 17,000-18,000 on Bitcoin really got people excited. So here we are now, 2016. We're rocking about 600, 630, 722, and so on. 2017 hit, and boom, $19,118. Guess what else happened? Exactly 4 years later. Now we're going to fast forward from 2017 to 2021, which again is what? Exactly 4 years later. And here we go. We see Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 64,000. So, and always, just like the previous cycles, which I kind of bypassed there, but 1 year from the all-time high usually hits the bottom. If you don't believe me, look at this. We got November 12th of 2021. What's exactly 1 year later? Almost to the week. November 11th of 2022, we have the absolute bottom. And the same thing played out the following cycle and the following cycle there. So this is why my prediction for the next all-time high will be sometime around October to December, most likely in that November range, but it could be towards the end of October because it does seem each cycle is about 1 month sooner as well to the Bitcoin all-time high. But we will see a new peak for Bitcoin, and about a year later, we will see the bottom happen yet again. All right, guys, so that bull run is definitely on the way. It's going to happen. The cycle says so. And yes, it is that easy. If it was that easy, oh, why wouldn't this and that and that? You know what? Ignore the world, guys. This is just the way it works. And it's going to work out in all of our favors again, as long as you play the cycles. We're going to hit all-time highs, and we're going to be followed by another bear market. Just let it play out the way it usually does, and things will be all right. So thank you for checking out this video, guys. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this whole situation. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.